I'll be showing you step by step how you can add metafields to your Shopify Dawn theme. If you're not sure what metafields are, they make it super easy to add customizable information, and it makes it really easy to reuse this information across your store. So let's just dive right into it here. So to add a metafield, we'll be using the example of care instructions. This is a default tab available in the Dawn theme. Let's go through that step by step. So from the left-hand side menu, you want to go to settings. Once settings loads, you want to go down to custom data right here, clicking on this tab. This will load your metafield section. You can have quite a few places in which you can add metafields from products, variants, collections, customers, orders, and so on. But our focus in this video is going to be to add those care instructions, and that will be under product. So we'll click into products there, and we'll see our existing definitions, our pinned ones, as well as our unpinned ones here. And these are created by default and are used throughout your Shopify theme. So the way we're going to add a definition is we want to head to the top right here, clicking Add Definition. This is going to give us several fields to fill out, from the name to the namespace and key. This is used to identify the definition, as well as the description. This is more for your own use, as you can see what you created this metafield about. Now, something to note about creating metafields is there's going to be quite a few automated definitions. When possible, you want to be using these automated definitions, as they can then be picked up by just about any theme, as they're kind of just standard sequences on how to build these. So those can be pre-built for you. So if we type in care, this will show us our suggested standard definitions, what we do want to be using, and we can see the care guide here. So instructions for taking care of a product or apparel. So this is the standard definition, so we're going to use this. Because it's standard, it's automatically readable by apps and themes. And as we can see, those additional options to fill out are not there anymore, as it is a standard definition. So that was easy enough there. We then want to hit save in the bottom right to save our definition. Now let's go and add it to one of our products so we can see how it's going to be used. So I'm going to close these settings here. And so let's open up two tabs. The first one is going to be the theme tab. As you can see, I have Dawn installed here. I'm going to hit customize. So I have opened up this in a new tab. I'll go back to my original tab and we'll go over to product. Having these in two tabs will make it easier for us to see our changes. So let's go to the hot glue gun product here, and we'll go and add our metafield, which we can then add into the product page. So if I scroll down to the bottom, we can see our metafield. We can see I had a previous one called hidden product, and I can see the current one we just created called care guide. If we click on that metafield there, I'll zoom in just to make things easier. We can then add the care guide text that can be reused and dynamically inserted into whatever products we would like. And let's just say do not wash or submerge in water. I'll exit out of that, then hit save. That should save our meta definition for this hot melt glue gun. Let's go back to our theme tab here, and we can go and find that specific product, hot melt glue gun. And I'm going to click into it, as this is going to open up our specific default product. We scroll down and we can see the default tabs created in the Dawn theme for materials, shipping and returns, dimensions, and care instructions. And so now let's go into the final step and add our dynamic text. I'll click on the element. This will open up our classable row and the settings in the right here. Now for the row content, this is where we can insert that metafield. So you're going to see these active circles here, and it's going to be insert dynamic source. So click on that. If we go onto product main page, we can see our care guide right here. We can hit save, and that should go and add our metafield in. So if we go and expand care instructions now, we can see do not wash or submerge in water. And so just like that, we've added a metafield to our Dawn Shopify theme. So this was a manual process here, but the beauty of this is it can be dynamically inserted. So if we go back to our product, let's go to this multiple set of glue guns here. Every time we change the metafield, there are many apps available that can do it in bulk. We can just dynamically reinsert this text every single time. Such as for this one, if I say wash with soap, and I go to that product, as we edited the default product tabs using the dynamically inserted metafield, if we go and open care instructions, we can see wash with soap, which is what we just added. So it makes it really flexible, and you can reuse things across your site or dynamically insert them, which I think is a really great feature, especially if you have quite a few products in your Shopify store. There are a lot of things to keep track of when running a Shopify store, and your accounting and profit calculations can be one of the hardest. That's why I want to show you our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator that's going to make your calculations super simple. After a quick setup sequence, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different detailed metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts such as Facebook, Google, Bing, Snapchat, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. It's going to give you a ton of time back and give you a very accurate picture on your store's true profit and performance. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and looking for this logo in the top left. And there's also a link in the description below to access the same listing directly, where you can get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.